Welcome back to Moto Explorer. Today, we're cruising with the Suzuki Boulevard C109R, a powerful cruiser that blends impressive performance with classic styling. If you're looking for a bike that combines big displacement and effortless cruising comfort, the C109R is worth a closer look. At the heart of the Boulevard C109R is a massive 1,783 cc twin engine. This engine is all about torque, delivering plenty of low-end power that makes it perfect for easy cruising or conquering long stretches of highway. Whether you're pulling away from a stop or cruising at high speeds, this engine offers smooth and powerful performance. The C109R's large cruiser frame ensures maximum comfort, with a low seat height and relaxed riding position. The rear suspension is adjustable, helping you maintain a smooth ride no matter the road conditions. The front fork also offers excellent comfort and stability, making it perfect for long tours or weekend cruises. In terms of handling, the C109R's low center of gravity and wide tires provide stability and confidence, even at lower speeds or when cornering. The braking system, with its powerful front and rear disc brakes, ensures you have the stopping power needed to match the bike's impressive performance. Visually, the Boulevard C109R is a striking bike. With its large, muscular tank, wide fenders, and gleaming chrome accents, it has the classic cruiser look that commands attention. Its timeless design exudes power and presence on the road. The Suzuki Boulevard C109R is the ideal choice for riders who want a cruiser that delivers massive performance, unmatched comfort, and unmistakable style. Thanks for joining us on Moto Explorer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what do you think of the C109R, and which bike should we feature next? Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.